Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use quiz game in your website. So we are going to use your WordPress website and let's see how we can implement it. So we have to use one plugin and that plugin is Play Quiz. So click on plugin and click on add plugin and just search here cat quiz, and as you can see here cat quiz WordPress quiz plugin. So we just need to click on install now and wait some seconds. Then we need to activate this plugin. Done. Now in the left side you'll find the quiz cat. Just open this. Now let's click on the add new, okay, here quiz cat, and choose the multiple choice, this one. And as you can see here the quiz name, so you can say that here WordPress quiz, okay, and you can define a description here, disable the answer, or you can just enable this and just save it. Done. Now as you can see here the questions, click on this, and as you can see the question, so new question, or you can just click on this. So first question is HTML is a programming language. Correct answer is no and wrong answer is yes. Okay, you can add multiple answers here, okay, yes and no also. So but we need only no and yes here, okay. So I'm going to use here two option. Done. And as you can see here there is a one copy like option, just click on this. So you have the another question, you can ask anything here like heading tag use for, okay, for image, like we know that for increase font size, okay, and you can use here like for image, and you can use here for scroller, and just cross this. Now we have two questions, okay. Now let me just, what you need to do here, go to the setup, and as you can see here this is the short code, okay. Save this like, and let's go to the add new page here, and now you can add here default quiz, okay. This is my page name, and you can add one block here to display short code, and just enter the short code and just make it publish. Done. Let's open the page and let's see how this will work. As you can see WordPress quiz is start quiz. HTML is a programming language, so I'll say yes. Oh, wrong, your answer is wrong. Correct answer is no. So next, heading tag used for to increase font size. Correct answer again, okay. So that's the overall quiz play here. So you can easily create quiz with this amazing plugin. So if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.